Welcome back again, guys. Now in this review I just want to talk about how you guys can make money on YouTube. So we're going to be talking about 3 methods that you can make money on YouTube. This is not going to be scripted. I'm just going to be doing a case study, but by searching a few guys that are doing really good with YouTube. So YouTube is an amazing platform if you get it right. So the first thing that you need to start making money on YouTube is you gotta have a passion, or you've got to have an interest about something. This can be your hobby, this can be a sport, this can be a career, it can be any subject that you feel you can talk to people about on YouTube. So if I come over here, we've got this guy first to begin with in the online money space called Franklin Hatchett. Now Franklin Hatchett has got a channel on YouTube where he makes videos teaching people about how to make money online, how to start an online affiliate marketing business, how to start a drop shipping business, and various methods that you can earn an income online. So this guy makes money through affiliate marketing, whereby he does review videos about different kinds of stuff in his YouTube videos, and he promotes various products. So as you can see, it talks about ClickBank, it talks about Shopify, sometimes drop shipping, and here it talks about ClickFunnels and teaches you about ClickFunnels and how you can promote it and earn money online. So he does affiliate marketing, and when people purchase through the links that he uses in these descriptions, he's able to make money online. So as you can see, how to make $100 plus per day online with proof. So when you click on this video, this guy basically explains to you how you can make $100 a day. Now let's just wait for it to load up. So you've got ads and everything, so just gonna skip ads and pause this video. So as you can see, when we come here, he's got an affiliate training that he does, full e-com training, and another training on how to make $200 a day. And when you scroll down here, he's promoting free trainings. So when you click on some of these trainings, they are going to take you to a page where you can sign up and learn how to promote ClickFunnels. So once you sign up for ClickFunnels, you start being billed. This guy gets a commission from every sale that he brings in, because he made that video. Now it's not only in the make money online niche. Another guy is John Armstrong, who just does launch jacking reviews. What this guy does is, all he does is reviews products that are launching today, that will be launching next week, that are just new on the market. He reviews them, make a product review, and leaves an affiliate link in his YouTube video description, and people click on that link, they purchase a product. This guy gets a commission for every sale that he manages to bring in. So another guy is, when we look for Unbox Therapy. So all this guy is into is tech reviews, mobile devices, and all he does is just makes reviews. So as you can see, he is talking about testing fake AirPods. What he does is, once he reviews these fake AirPods, when you come over here, this is an Amazon affiliate link. So somebody watches this video, they are interested in the product, and they click on this link, takes them to Amazon, and he's gonna have got an affiliate ID in somewhere in there. Once somebody purchases this product, this guy gets a commission. And it's not only that, he's also got his own products, his own website, like Official Unbox Therapy Knife. So he's got an online store that he also sells his own products. So as you can see, these are some of the products that he sells. These are pretty much, you would say, his very own products. So this could be also a blog, as well as at the same time an e-commerce store. It can be Shopify store. As you can see, there's a blog, there are accessories and tools that you can buy, or with just one YouTube channel. So there are we've looked at two main sources that you can use to make money with YouTube. One's affiliate marketing, and the second one is with own products or services. Another one is offering a service. So you can offer a service which is pretty much just the same as offering or selling your own products or services. Another one is being paid by influencers to promote their products. So you're not being paid for the products that people buy, but you're basically just being paid to talk about other people's products and services. So more or less like you're advertising on behalf of them, but you're not getting a cut. You're getting advertising fees from them. So more or less like they are running ads on your own channel. So those are one of the few ways you can make money online. Another way is through YouTube itself. So when you go to Social Blade, YouTube pays you a good amount just for making these videos. So when we search on Social Blade, like we search for unbox therapy, let that load up. This can actually tell us how much this whole just the fact that he's having YouTube videos up can earn you an income. So when you look, we've got unbox therapy there, so we can select, and we've got another channel I'll show you later on. Then here it is. So this guy is earning somewhere between $9,000 and $152 every month, and over $1 million every year, just through his YouTube videos, because YouTube pays you for every views that come in. So as you can see, this video is over 4 days old, and it's got like 2,500 million views, and YouTube gives you a certain percentage for every 1,000 views that you bring in. So that's a lot of speaking. I'm not used to speaking a lot, so I'm gonna take just a time and drink some water. So yeah, those are a few ways that you guys can go ahead and implement and make an income online. It's not that difficult. All you have to is identify an industry or niche that you're really interested in. So that's it for this video. This should be the last video for 2019. Another guy is this one, Unbox Therapy Russia. No, he's not the one, he's the wrong one. So this is another really interesting guy. So these are the really top guys. This guy ranks 7th in tech reviews. The other guy ranks, I think, first. He ranks first, but this guy is like total A grade, and he's even earning more online, and that's just YouTube. The age we're living in, the possibilities are limitless. So you guys go out and crush your 2020, figure out your business plan, begin and start implementing, and have yourself some real estate online. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.